5 Best Camcorders. Here is the product number 5. HD 1080p Portable Video Camcorders DV Super Night Vision. The vlogging camera is the 3 inches LCD view screen. You can rotate 180 degree for selfies and full frame. This digital video recorder can shoot both picture and video, provide a HD 1080p at 15 fps video resolution and 24MP picture resolution, to bring you a new high-definition experience. The digital camera supports 4x digital zoom. Normal focus range, 1.5. Here is the product number 4. Mini Waterproof Sports Recorder Car DV Camera Camcorder. Brand name, Smoking Top. Additional function, camera function. Screen size, greater than 3 inches. High definition support, 1080p, Full HD. Media type, HDD, flash memory. Storage type SD card. Optical zoom, 10x. Model number Car Waterproof Action Camera Camcorder. Here is the product number 3. HDV 5053 STR Portable Camcorder. This is a powerful Wi-Fi camcorder DV that can help you capture the special moments and record the wonderful time in your life. It features 20MP, 16x digital zoom and 1080p Full HD video. You can get perfect pictures and video with it anytime and anywhere. Lightweight and portable design let you take it anywhere you go. It is a great companion and recorder for you on a trip. In addition, here is the product number 2. LCD Waterproof Digital Video Camera Portable Mini Camcorder. Record videos with sound. Built-in flash and microphone. Has outstanding image stabilization and face detection functions. Scene, auto, scenery, night scene, portrait, night portrait, sports, party, beach, high sensitivity, underwater. Color, camouflage. Waterproof, 10 meters. Internal memory, 16 megabytes STROM. Here is the product number 1. Andoer 4K 1080p 48MP Wi-Fi Digital Video Camera Camcorder. 4K Interpolation 24 fps video. 48MP Interpolation Photo. 0.39x Wide Angle Lens. High Quality External Stereo Microphone. 3-inch Capacitive Touchscreen. Infrared Night Vision. Wi-Fi Transmission and Control. 16x Digital Zoom. With 1/4 thread on the camera bottom to mount on tripod stand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.